Hey Glossy Ghouls, today we're doing something super exciting and I'm going to be testing out the VIRAL BEETLES GEL-X Dupe Kit. Here I'm pointing out in the ingredients, it does say HEMA, which isn't a big deal if you know that you're not allergic, but just wanted to point that out. I did order mine off of Mercari and it appears that it is the older packaging. But let's see what we have in here. I'm super excited to try this because, strangely enough, I've never used Beetles before. I started out with like Model 1s, but I've never tried any polishes. I've never tried the nail glue gel, so this is going to be a nice first for me. Here we have the application guide, blah blah blah. This is nail glue gel, not normal nail glue, so obviously we need a UV light to cure. Here are the tips. The bag feels kind of like not very full, so I'm guessing there's either 100 and something or 200 tips in there, but I'll have to look that up. It comes with a file and a nail cutter. It comes with the mini UV light that I'm showing right here, which I was curious to know if it's the automatic one. Here's the nail glue gel. It is 7.5 mLs. It's not huge, so yeah. Cure for 30 to 60 seconds. So it says, let's check out the quality of the nail tip cutter. Nice black handles, stainless steel. It's actually nicer than the one that I have, so I'm excited about that. It will go to good use, but not in this set because the tips are kind of short, as you will see. I'm going to dump them out and show you the biggest and the smallest size, I believe. I'm searching. 10 is the smallest size, and the biggest size is actually a 1, and it's not very big at all. I had to use the 1, as you'll see later on in the video, so if you have wider nail beds, I don't necessarily recommend this kit, and you really don't get that many nail tips. I thought I got the long coffin, but I don't know if I'm just so used to doing super long nails that these seem so short to me. Are these medium? Are they long? I don't really think so, but we're gonna use them anyway. They are nice quality. They're thinner at the cuticle, which is what you want, and a bit thicker at the tip, but they still have a little give. Look how tiny they are. Look how short. Oh. But they do seem pretty nice. So that's the size 1 right there. And I'm just going to put those away, and here's the 10. So now I gotta work on getting these tips off, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. I applied a peel-off base coat for the first time ever to test out with this, just because I'm not sure about this length of nails for long-term wear, just because they're kind of short for me. The light is the automatic light, which I am very thrilled about. I'm very happy about that. So we're just gonna start applying, and I have to say, I love this glue. It was so easy to use. Honestly, it was my favorite gel glue I've tried so far, and I am not just saying that. I've tried my fair share of glues, and this one is awesome, guys. Really, really, really good. I definitely recommend it. So we're just gonna go through quickly and apply the rest of the nails. And I'm just flash curing them in this little light for about 10 seconds ish, and then I'm going to do a full cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. And the glue, another good thing about it is it's on the thicker side, so I had little to absolutely no spillage on most of the nails, which was nice because a lot of the times with the liquidy glue gels versus the more solid form nail gels, you do get a lot of spillage sometimes, depending on if you're a beginner or not. I'd like to think I've gotten it down pat, but with this one, it's honestly almost foolproof. I would definitely buy backups of this glue. I really, really like it. And honestly, the nails are very nice too. The cuticle area fits really nicely. I didn't have to do any customization, but these are just not my go-to nail shape at all. But everything is really good quality. Okay, after the full cure, this is what we have them looking like, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of shaping of the free edge to get that little nub thing off, and then I'm just gonna lightly buff them so that they're ready for painting. And just a tip, if you buff your nails good enough, you can skip the step of using a base coat, which is a nice time saver because I'm lazy and why not? Okay, so here we go, all buffed up, wiped down with alcohol. I'm just gonna use this gel from Temu. It's a cat eye gel. Not happy because as you can see, the brush is bent, but the color is really nice. The consistency is nice. I mean, I got these in a 6-pack for super cheap. So how much can I really complain? You can always just put it on a palette and use a different brush with it. So I'm just going to go in with 2 thin coats of this and do some cat eye with the magnet on the second coat. Okay, so I forgot to show myself using the top coat, but it was just a no wipe shiny top coat, and this is what they came out looking like, and I'm really happy with the kit in general. Not the nail shape, but that's my own fault, but everything else I love. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.